watch in effect through late tonight. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has expanded the flood watch to include portions of northern New Jersey and east central Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in northern New Jersey, Sussex, and Warren; in east central Pennsylvania, Lehigh and Northampton. Through late tonight, periods of heavy rain through mid-afternoon. Rain totals between 2 and 3 inches. After the heavy rain ends, runoff will continue into the evening hours, affecting creeks, streams, and rivers. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.